Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Neverness to Everness completely from your PC or laptop. Uninstalling it is pretty easy. Firstly, open the Neverness to Everness launcher. Once you are inside NTE, then we need to click on this gear icon to open settings. Then go to resources. Now we need to click on open game directory in order to open its file location. Then click on Neverness to Everness folder name. Now before clicking on this uninstall option, we need to close the Neverness to Everness launcher, because if you don't close it, then you won't be able to uninstall the game. Once it's closed, then we need to click on this uninst file. So basically this is the uninstallation file. We just need to double tap on it. After that, it will show you another window, and on this window we need to click on uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation by selecting it, and then the game will be uninstalled from your PC or laptop completely. Now just select confirm to finish the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.